Your school authorities, teachers, parents, and students. Being the managing director of one of the schools, I feel privileged and I feel very much happy and content knowing the ideas, the technologies of Edutek, the smart class. Of course, everybody has a kind of view regarding the smart class setups of education in the time. Normally, I used to have this understanding and concept is we are bound to live as to the time of the students. So now let's acknowledge that how can we help the children as to their level and capacity and as to the need of the time. So if you ask me as a whole, what is my opinion regarding after watching the demonstration of so and so people concerned here, I'm really content. I'm really happy because I felt like yes, we can provide what are the concepts, what are the things which are really in need of the time. That's it. Okay. Yes.
Okay. So, what is your experience with the existing smart class setup? What you have installed already?
See, what we had installed those days, we never had into got that much of idea about it. Was a kind of projection, you know. I mean, it's a kind of we too never knew what it is. The people who came, they explained a lot, and practically it was I can't even say zero, even it was minus as to the time. So now today what I saw while talking to you, while watching your demonstration, and I myself activated the things up to the knowledge of what I had within short time. I'm really happy and I'm very really content with the timely growth of the idea and technologies.
Okay.
I wish you all the success.
Thank
Okay.
you. And last question, ये स्कूल को कितना बेनिफिट होने वाला है और बच्चों को कितना बेनिफिट होने वाला है स्मार्ट क्लास से?
Sir, I love to say that when things are orally explained, things are just shown in the book, that remains only as a kind of botheration, you know. But things are practically being explained and shown to the children, and based on the theoretical and as practical understanding and basis and explanation, that really strikes the mind of the child and the student and keep repeating. Okay, then he or she will be having a kind of rethink about yes, how was that? It really, and that will be really the beauty goes. How can a teacher cope up with that? Simply we can't base. Of course, that it has got the content just as the book is having, but that the beauty goes to the children up to the particular teacher or he or she who deals with it. I'm happy about it. I wish my all the success.
Thank you.
Okay, may God bless you all.